Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to fix Grindr unable to create account. So first, go to Play Store, then open Grindr. All you have to do, just click sign up in the top of the right corner. Then, click next and click accept. And once again, click next and click accept. Let's proceed to type your birth date. Then, click next. All you have to do is click Google at the bottom. Then, choose account what you want to use to continue your Grindr. Then, wait for a second. All you have to do is click allow at the bottom. And next, let's proceed to fill up this page for your profile in Grindr. Type your name and your gender. Then, click save. And that's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.